Hello everyone, welcome back to Shoe Train. My name is Yali and today I will be reviewing Steve Madden Zora Chelsea short fall booties. So these beautiful shoes, they have a minimalist design. So the style is called Zora Chelsea and it's more western inspired booties, and it's beautiful and it's really good for fall. It's not super anti-slip, so yeah, it's not good for winter, but for rainy days it's just amazing waterproof booty. How the style has been made: so the outer part or the upper part of the shoe is PU leather, premium leather, which is good and makes these shoes to be breathable and of course waterproof. And the front part is pointed, so the toe area is pointed and it's stiff because it helps your feet while you're walking. It's like shock absorbent, so if you hit your toes or if your forefoot on any hard surface, so you won't feel pain or something. And the footbed has a little bit of cushion, and of course the insole is glued in, and these shoes are not deep enough to insert another insole or add some extra cushion, so it can be a nice casual fashion shoe for fall when it's raining or when it's wet outside. These ones are waterproof and anti-slip for those kind of days. And of course, as you guys see, they have the rubber outsole and has a little bit of all these things, designs, which makes these shoes to be anti-slip in wet surfaces or oily surfaces, but not icy surfaces. These shoes can't be worn in winter, like when it's super icy outside and it's like the roads are just like ice and all that. So this is not a good shoe for that time of the year. It's just good to wear it in like September, October until mid-November. It's a perfect, beautiful shoe, and to be honest guys, it's super warm. It's very warm from inside and it keeps your feet warm when it's like a little cold outside. And they don't have any zipper or anything. They have these beautiful elastics on both sides of the shoe, which makes these shoes to be very like easy to take them on and off. That's the best thing I love about them. So I have seen a lot of shoes like winter boots that they have all those golden buckles and all those golden eyelets or like different colors, and it's like too much for a pair of fall shoe. So I prefer to have something like very beautiful, simple design, all black. And of course these shoes, they have been made perfectly. If you guys have seen some shoes, like when you go to the store to try them on, if you guys have noticed, like you can tell like the glues are outside and some parts are not nicely glued. It's like it has a very weird look. So that's why these shoes are amazing and perfect. And the front part is very nice and it's super soft. It's not like when you see them on a video, you might be thinking like, oh my god, it might be a little stiff or something. No guys, it's super soft and super cushiony, and it's extremely easy to put them on and take them off because of these elastics on each side, which helps these shoes to be very comfortable when you're wearing them. And when you're having them on, it's good for a few hours if you're going out with friends and families or on a date or shopping or just for fashion or style. But it's not a working shoe and it's also not a winter shoe. It's just beautiful fashion stylish shoe for fall. 2.5 months or 2 months or 3 months would be good to wear them, especially when it's raining outside. Waterproof shoe, anti-slip, beautiful, gorgeous shoe. I just love them. Insole is glued in. Of course we cannot remove the insole on these shoes, and even though if you want a little bit of support for your feet, you will not be able to fit in any kind of slim or very thin insole which has more arch support. So as you see it, it's very narrow on the toe area, and there's no room, and it's not also deep enough to insert another insole. So yes, it's just a fashion, beautiful, stylish shoe for anywhere you go, like seeing friends or going on a date, or just wearing it for shopping outside. But of course it's waterproof, and I love this the fact that it's waterproof and it's easy to take care. All you need is just a piece of wet wipes or something, just clean the entire shoe. But overall these shoes are beautiful and gorgeous. I like them. So the outsole for these shoes, it's rubber, and they have a very strong and firm heel, and it has been designed very nicely and glued in very nicely, so you don't see any kind of those extra glues and white stuff that in some shoes you can see it here. So these ones are perfectly made without any kind of like glues outside or like mismatching colors in some shoes, if you guys have noticed. And these outsoles are very good and super comfy and cushiony. It's not so very hard, extremely hard. It's just, it has a little bit of cushion. And the best part for the outsole is it's good for rainy days, and if you are walking on wet surfaces, these shoes are good and perfect, and they are anti-slip for those specific surfaces. By anti-slip I mean you cannot wear this one on icy roads, because this is not that kind of shoe that you're looking for wearing it in the winter. So this one is just a beautiful fall boot. When it's raining outside, you want a very nice waterproof shoe, and of course anti-slip. So this is a perfect shoe for you guys. You guys can have it. This is amazing, beautiful and perfect shoe. For these shoes, the sizing starts from 5 to 11, and the color, it's only black. It's all black PU leather, and as you guys see, it's beautiful and it's a gorgeous fall boot, and I really love it. It's super warm. It's very warm from inside, and it's good for fall. So my personal recommendations for these shoes, okay guys, you guys can buy it. Oh my god, they are beautiful, they are gorgeous. For me, they are 9 out of 10. So why am I giving that rating for these shoes? Because of arch support. The rest, waterproof, perfect, easy take them on and off, perfect. Rubber anti-slip outsole is amazing, and it's super soft and comfy. The only thing I don't like about them, they don't have arch support. It's just flat. But yeah, as I said, it's just for a few hours. If you're wearing it like maximum 2 or 3 hours to walk around, do some errands, it's beautiful, gorgeous shoe. And of course the style is extremely beautiful. It's just plain, nothing extra, beautiful, gorgeous, nicely and beautifully made. So yes, that's why it's 9 out of 10. And I'm gonna try them on with my jeans and my pants, so you guys can see how they look with jeans and pants. Of course, because it's all the way over your ankle, so you might as well fold your shoes, fold your pants. Okay guys, here I have them on with my denim jeans. They look super beautiful. You can see the outsole. Of course, it's anti-slip for wet surfaces. As I mentioned in my videos, it's not good for winter. It's just beautiful, gorgeous, stylish shoe. It's not super comfortable, like it's not a working shoe, or if you're wearing it for long hours, you will feel a little discomfort because of the outsole and insole, which is flat. Upper part is leather, and it has all these elastics, and everything else about these shoes are amazing and perfect. And it's a beautiful fall shoe because it's waterproof and it's breathable, and also it keeps your feet warm, and of course it's anti-slip, which is good for wet surfaces. You know guys, it's going to rain, and it's always raining a lot in the fall, so these are beautiful boots that you can have. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and to watch more videos, click the bell notification and you will be notified when we are uploading new videos.